Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Alchemy. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Alchemy is moving inside a very big ascending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this is that ascending triangle. And you can see that recently after getting rejected by the resistance of this triangle, the price and dropped down at the support and geared up, but still not able to break out this long-term downtrend line resistance. And still it is trying to break it out. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then here we can see that we have a quite clear formation of a descending triangle on a daily time frame chart. On a weekly time frame chart, we have the formation of an ascending triangle, and on a daily time frame chart, we have the formation of this descending triangle. And now the price line is quite squeezed. The movement of the price line is getting squeezed inside this triangle, and at any time it can break this pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this very big ascending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart and these breakouts from different falling wedges patterns as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description that I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report in the video's description. For the current month of May 2024, you just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for WRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal almost 3 days ago on 19th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see first it dropped down, entered the buying zone here, completed the final leg, and pumped very well and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Alchemy. And this is the weekly. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And recently, you can see that we have found this support. By the way, this is a quite long-term support at 2.3 cents. That is breaking as support of this descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And on a 7 days time frame chart, you can see that it is moving inside this very, very big ascending triangle. And while moving inside this ascending triangle, you can see that first it broke out this big falling wedge pattern, got rejected by the resistance of this ascending triangle, then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then again got rejected by the resistance of this ascending triangle. By the way, from this low to this high, you can see it was more than 613% pump, but still, so far it is not able to break out this long-term resistance of ascending triangle that is at 5 cents. And recently, you can see that we have found another downtrend resistance. If we take a look at the previous history, then you can see that whenever it is finding different downtrend and resistance levels, then it is finally breaking them out. For example, this was the resistance of the falling wedge. We broke it out, then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then broke out another falling wedge pattern as well. Now, recently it has formed this descending triangle. Therefore, I'm expecting that if it is about to repeat the history, then it can also break out the resistance of this next descending triangle as well. And imminently, it can make a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of this big ascending triangle. And by the way, on a 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have also this very, very nice support of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 as well. Therefore, it is possible that while moving inside this support, above this support of EMA 21 and below this support resistance of this triangle, soon it may break out the resistance rather than breaking down the support. If it will break down this support of EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart, then it can drop down at the support of this triangle that is here at 2.3 cents. A quite long-term support that was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and resistance here, and now again it is working as a support. Now, if the price line breaks down the support of the triangle, that I'm not expecting that it will break down, but if it will break down, then the technical target can be here at this next long-term support, quite down from here at approximately 1 cent. And in case of breaking out the triangle, it can break out the next long-term resistance that is here at 5 cents, and the target can be here at 7.329 cents. And by the way, at 7 cents, we also have the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. That was here at the top of the wedge. And now let's take a look at the target for this very, very massive expected breakout from this big ascending triangle. And that target can be here after the breakout. that will be approximately at 35 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.